Ebusiafo me de nchia sonkon efre sampa man hene na samba jafla asoye edibrem enwema mienu miensa bi na me pese menemu edi honkomo yedi kan eye peace council omo enhia mudi a omedi no sampa ansa na omo beba sampa no omo ne sampa man hene na samba jafla edi kan hia emo mudi nkomo ne yeho bia no na ema omo so tiye na ehun behia se so mo san ba na omo behwe the members of the traditional council no mo hwe omo gina bia no matie ne ekoso eno enanananom of the traditional council ya gazette wo omo nyina nso be hia wo sampaman hene na samba jafla na himfie ema omo hia wo enkomo biara a ese yedi ewo amamra mane kwan so ene Ghana mra mo no nananom ediye omo free ho no omo kopie mu wo Sammordua enchen ene ne nkrofo bi sasa ade ntino mo kɔ hɔ neoma obi biara a ɔwɔ Ghana a ɔwɔ sampa nso ehunu sɛ tutrasɛm ene neoma bi a ɛkoso bia no efri saa area mu ene eba ne senti no ɔmo kɔ hɔ mo mu no mo kɔhyiae enkomodidie mu no ɛma Sammordua ka asɛm bi sɛ ɔno ɔyɛ new lawyer a ne pe a wogi ɛyɛ 4000 ne senti no wontimi ntotuo ene ne yɛkeka ho nyɛ tutrasɛm na ne yɛmeka ama obi atene se enye sese na memabu meba betena aka se we na yesi yenim dada timamofo mu sampa ene bebi atotrasem ifri ono Farouk Ahmed ya Sammordua no ene Brahma Mosi ono ene Yaya Trawule nom ene Oba Mawule nom. They are the brain behind the attacks a ekos wo sampa ne panoma japade a ye hihyi omufie ne pa ye kunwom ne nyina eye na okasa aye no ne me fa mu nyina ne se police fo amu wo sampa ene se omo sori no mo ye adwuma omo nyi politics ene nuoma no emfiri mu on said the regional minister and the DCE are preventing the police system and they are not working well in the Bono region eno ntina sa nuoma no ekoso enye sa pa dia nka obi betimi akoyi obi Africa mo ewia pete etimi akoku nipa no are those who did that yenchi akokokra adentia because it's politics. The regional minister has not allowed the police to investigate. The DCE now we head of dissect no so enya wo amomunyo madwuma and santina omutimi di sankwase asemu na ekire o masan ya be hia biom kansem foforo senka police na ye adwuma yie ena omuto manam yie a obi ye bone na achi na enko betimi akotena wo se ono sese na wawie school enti woni sika ni pay 4000. So in Ghana Police Service the American say politicians will come and go, but you need not to do things ebema obi life be in danger and you'll be sitting there and be looking at them. Where enyoma ekokoso ewo sampa to trust someone omudi omo kunkrofo prapra nkrofo because onim say amamre ne mra ne Ghana mra eni nachi and wo sign nim say ojan nipa no wan terrorize na obi en ho obedi nachi into office so the hu awra nipa mo sese nkrofo nyoma sese nkrofo japade a they will want to follow him say be omo nse omo nyoma and that is what they are doing. But idea enye wodia you can even kill everybody in Sampa and you will not get it. And say okase they don't buy the things ye near to na ne me kan kire mu nyina ne say mo amunim dada munim bebi atotrasem ene sa nyoman awudisem no efria eba eno enan chen a ne etoso biom a me pese ye kasa efa ho eye market ne kasa ye mu no o kan say na Samba Jafla ene ma dwadefo ne bufu ya dwadefo na nkasa ko say bia no timamofo amu sampa on say sebi ansa na obi betena bebi na waka asem bi na waka ntro no na dwiemu ye ne say wono no nim nyansa esin wa one wo kasa no sana me fi say o madwiemu ye o emra President Mahama edi the policy of 24-hour economy market ba yepe ena Samba Jafla ema ne ntran konwa aye twame hene na busua panyini opanyini Abu Mahama eni ada ahemfoni bi call engage dissect ena mo ka kire mo say nananom ehunu say sadi we be baso daache ne say ntino mu wa asase a ya di market for such project ena mo da dissect asi so mo manem to o man panyini say laudable idea or the other ban a year, Nembum Yawa Sasia, Semrene Swan, Yemfa project Nico. District Chief Executive Officer, DCE, any dissect, Edda, Nana, reps no more nasi. And when you say, because of politics, Domahini, any Sumahini Shasie, Omuno control regional minister. Yawan, you say, Omafa, Farouk Ahmed, so Uncle Kati sword, a war, existing market, function market. And the Basa, no, they be a many catcher, say, Yanum, Yabusiano, the way ye tear any yen magidi. Ye the Mrani, Ghana, Mrani, and Mamrani, any engagement. Until another who says, send ye air corner, their main plan was to destroy the place. No? The traditional council no letter at the command DC say, almost reno project no a laudable project. Nemo Mumbes say, Omunjai existing market no, neither the phone no any biaho, no more new project we encore the demarcated area no, and no crano bema or more pine. Emoma tuomu boasi no ma ye nyoma ye enye sa omu bubu we no mu ya e the pressure beto omu so emra say etimi di no mutimi ye ne ye no they will be rushing and at the end no they won't do it well into omu sre they are not against the project but they are only seeking say omu de be new demarcated place no na functioning market na bia de fo ne koso no omu be jai emmanuel makoso this in saka let any pe and no frɛ Sammordua'S boys no and what country almost say, Sadia chin letter nisu na a be ekopie or President Mahama or be prevent you from demolishing the existing market. Ne sentino adia chin yapo munko bubuwe before the letter will come out. And no ne ba ya adia chin yape and now sa boy see any DCE organizing group for eko bubu market no. And this was see nana samba jafla ne ho hintina Biadefo na nkasa kofuru mu stores so say ya biadefo a mo sampa menim say enti sa enya sa na tie ba mo nim no kre no enti ne na me ka kire Farouk Ahmed eni na chitafo ne say emfa ho ni trododo a mo betwa enti men sesa bibia because sampa akonwasem ye di nam amamre amanie eni Ghana mraso eni yakan wie sisi ya the gazetted chief na sama jafla o man hini a amamre ni amande mu ni Ghana mram ye gina tum na sama jafla but ye ndi machi enye ne oma gidigidi ensei kuro no enu nti na ye di mra so a ye di mra ene ye bibia sisi anyame ya aduma on the 28th no ye twen de court no beka na court no kasa wi a enim se mra no ebe ye adwuma enti se Farouk Ahmed ka se biadefo no omo anu mo kose biane dia ene na sampati mamufo masomu mo amutie store dansa mo ankasa na modi mosika siye na mo bekasa obi ahinti no mo ankasa mo kose no na enye DCE ene ne nkrofo na ekobubu dan no na mbo mo ankasa na mo kobubu ya ene na etoji mo a enti ne me ka kire Ghana fo nyina o kasa biom no osan ka se ono no e de akonwa 10 years se panyine be ba se omfra akonwa ne so obefre so akonwa be na wede ni 10 years adente na ntro eye modesa akonwa ewu maame a oye Rose Mansa ehun nsem ba ye ene wodi kopie mu wo menhia ye di ye no ne ye ka se no munya ade asefo munni akonwa munya moja ene ya ba be yam famra kwan so amamre kwan so ene ya si obi eno ye gazette no usi wonti ase usan court say nka ye ntwem ena court ka say debi mehwe mmra ne amamre ne adansedi a ewo manimu no mentime ntwa ne gazette no mu na still awuda so kasa won ade ne nyina ne say emra sampa ye market yi egina ne na so a na ye di 3 days a week no so mafo anwunomefo sorry say omo pese omugu no enti ne omo ye ne say omo nso ade omo market day ne ko share Monday cars load free sunwani other places no mo ba sampa no ma block kwan so mo ma sampa omo yesa but then nam ye nananom omo dwen pa eni nuoma na e wo sampa eni the way sampa then no mantimi am preventi e ma sampa dwa no edi nkunim e wo muso enti se sumani aba be ye DC na ne ni nananom sha ase se nka omo se market sampa market no mantimi anye na onu mom waba be ye DC na sebi wanyankrofo bi a sebi o madwen wo fom a obetimi adwusu wo mo e dia sey ye kuro no ena omo use omo in the guide of politics enti sumahene hyase ena o use ne kromuni a oye DCE ena wasan anya regional minister on say regional minister oye na oye esumahene na oye lawyer edimanu ena the same regional minister emra na ye twimanso na oye Sammordua'S lawyer emra na domahene so pe obi a emana ko defend Sammordua'S case ewo court ewo Kumasi the same regional minister and ofano emra na ye call ba ya to trusem Sammordua'S edisi kan kwatwatwa nkrofo etutuo eku nipa somane di hye no ne no ye lawyer mawom ewo Brekum Circuit Court the current regional minister. And these are the people coming together to destroy the very town now. Their forebears try to destroy our Montimi and destroy. And in your moya nyina so when who say sampa no the omeye bi omontimi say sampa na so manya enkrofo bia omo fi se ometimi de gidigidi basabasa yo ababe gi ne enyo omode a ometimi ahye omachi ena omahye omachi a omodi ko dwiri functioning market ya eye adwuma ni pa eye adwuma wo ho asase da ho a mo betimi akọ site new market no ho no because omonim say they've gotten some people they na omo nana mo no mpa so mo say sampa dwa omo ntimi ansay no say they can sit in the office and use the very people no mo dey destroy town but send ye nda bia me ka no ye di Ghana mra ni ya mamre ni ya mande ebe protect bibia anti mesro bibiara ne okan ye nyina ntro mogu sampa ewo adihye no ma eso mudi sampa konwa ewo yensam yenua Adama Watara oyeye moja oni omunya moja won se ohwe tamwa ne wo manhia no ebusuadua a omotwere di ko ye se omukotwema nso Adama Watara din amamu ni maame din amamu ni nana din amamu ni nua no mu bia ni ho a ne din ba mo adentia because obi woni ni nana enye ba ko a muntimi twere abusuadua baako enu nti na abusuadua na omodi kotwema nso no a ono claim say Farouk Ahmed maame a friend Mansa Rose ye ni nua a enu nti omo no mudi ade no abusuadua a omodi kotwi no kra no ono Adama Watara ne maame ne nana ne nua no obi adi antimi ambamo because ntimi mfa omo emmamo because omo ni connection bia ntime sremo no kre no uko fast 7 member committee ruling and sampa man hine nana kofisuna oko ya nana samajafla di na die yi uko fa ne ruling no 7 member committee ruling na is very clear so the same and Asante man afemu say sampa konwa nana samajafla na sif nana samajafla busua Adama Watara no mabusua nana kofisuna busua and ye di sampa konwa and this is how it is because ye any one ma ye free ye nana yaju na si a ne ba a ye friend ya nana yelmodan oni ne nua nana yelmodan ne nua bema ye friend nana samba jafla a wodi kan ena ombechiti sampa kama omu nua panyina no wodi omani omu ba hyenyo no bo efiri mu wo jamra ye si no jamra so ho enti mesrem obi anka na komanto ne yem bebi a ye dread ye kɔ ne ye kɔwie no enti enya gidigidi ne ye kan kire peace council for ne say you don't negotiate with illegality obi a mrani na fa ne wo ye no is against for example ya to aba malusu na me sore say me ye me hu president why do you negotiate with me you apply the law enti ye di asem na fa bebi e say di fa bia ena ya wini enti se Sammordua'S ye ne ho se wo yo hene wo ye we a enye negotiation ne omu ye to trasem na omu ye no we could easily do the same but to what end adeno ye dia enti omu no ye na ye nso ye soso a ye be say the very time wa ye na nanombre echichire ye and send ye a deputy speaker of parliament ye no so you don't fight in your father's farm knowing very well that it is your father's crops that will be destroyed. Also, we are forming now obedient to qua ebe two or papa forma, yan so son so because we nim pass se bibi be say ya, o papa no by any be say. And untina ya din because sampa krubiano dia, and tia be far mamre, a manie, any gun and brasso, any eka. This is Sammordua'S see, or sign can be say, or no free a community swa, Nimkrofo Mayendi. Nimkrofo, they have no control over the town. The town belongs to the royals of Sampa. Okay? And no, to trust them now, omo yena yayedino, they may think we are cowards, but we are not cowards. We are only protecting what is rightfully us. Yendi mochi ema yen seno. Enti mesro bibiara mo amofre say Sammordua'S your friend so wadi akonwa 10 years tro. And I also can say nana ene nkrofo ne here to trust them mo amunim police for mo sample munim. The reason why they were not able to act is because of the regional minister, the DCE, and the interest of Sumahini and Domahini. This was the reason why they were destroying the town. Omoye Dinjao. Because say yeah to cow ye no more bechi young crow for no. But Omunu Jimia said no more jaw, no more ye. Enti Medo Bibiarasi Nana Sambaja Fla on country will be so uncle say will be Japadia. David on himself Krunu A and Dia or Bebo Hobine. And sanity and Timedo Bibiarasi and yes, President Mahama, your market, ne DC, a share and growth which a monk could be so more babesi 24-hour market, 24-hour economy market, no more babes. Near yen and none was a I bet in your commodity anything our person would call. But because of politics, any selfish desire, Omoko destroy the functioning one Omoko way. The best President Mahama. And I'm one and Asama Jafle to know. Send a bay, I'm obeying in tem. Na ye manum, yen yanum, ye yirenum, ye maminum, ye busia for any team I move for more sampano, or mobe humbe hahao, na or monso with me a juma, and yake or mumma. Ye do be biara or sampa, a juma ye four, or be biara or sampa, winning ye di, jumedi dia damasi. Yamin Koswa and Mom Yuma Hobine. A buy a juma ye four, ye dima baho ye damasi. A school for more hoye damasi. And no more biara na sama jafla and in a trunk on your baye, a mass should be mapa abasampa, obey a mamwato. Nan empire bonnet say, Move school cranny a postumwa, Bobesay the posting abasampa, because Sampa a peaceful town. Yet will be biarasi, Sampa mine henny, Nana sama jafla, the personal assistant Abu Mahama, me and a minimum say, Medamasi, Edamasipa, bye bye.